So we're now going through. That's bad. I'm guessing we're going to be going through where we got kicked out from. Oh no, we're not. That's where we got kicked out from. We got caught. So we're going through the old entrance where like those two pay things were.
Oh, you don't know?
Yes, I'm guessing so. Yep, with the soldiers. Laser. Whoa.
Push the two, yeah? Okay, just go carefully on your way around, alright? Yeah. Just go nice and steady in the door, alright? Yeah. There you go, all good. Cheers, mate.
He's just hit your car. So Rob.
Maximum 5 miles speed.
Please follow the military. You can't see, that's pretty bright, but that says please wait for instructions from the military.
What, here?
I'm guessing, I don't actually know. There's a lot of sirens. It's still got the security. Still got security signs there.
Everyone's taking a wrong turn.
Oh.
Turn this way, keep coming.
We're coming. We're coming.
Slow the car down. Stop the car for me.
From this point on, there's no turning back, yeah?
Yes.
Turn right and go nice and slow down the hill, got it?
Yeah,
off you go, good luck.
Thank you.
Let's go, come on.
Rob, this is where we got caught, and you ran down there.
Ran down here?
No, Rob ran down that little path. We walked up here, and then and then that was where we saw the dogs. I don't see no zombies yet.
No. You're going too fast.
You are, especially going 5 miles per hour, mate. That's why you should go slow down the hill. Toxic signs.
Scared you?
No. Are you?
Oh, yeah, food.
Do you know what? I'm quite impressed with all the lighting that they've used and the smoke. Quarantine zone, we're going into the quarantine zone. Yeah.
Probably one.
We know what scare zones are like. It is cold, you're right.
Like being around here at times.
Yeah, we've been around here plenty. They've got rid of the joisting section though, haven't they?
What about this way?
I'm not sure. I would have thought this was... Slow down, it says. Slow down the stand vehicle. Story Homes. Hello. I thought that was Rob doing that, I can't lie. Sorry, I've just missed the first zombie. I wasn't expecting that man to come at me like that. Oh, I got touched! Oh, she touched me up! That's where the roller coaster used to be, Alana, that we died by.
That's one. There's one there.
I'm going to get touched again and get. No.
Oh, the military guy.
There's some zombies there. Go kill them.
Alright, all the way up.
Hey, you sold it! Did he sound Russian to you? He definitely sounded Russian to me. I'm a bit scared now.
You shouting at me?
Don't show me.
Is that all the zombies?
That better not have been here. Well, their masks are really bad. I can't lie.
Right,
It touched me a minute ago.
it's a 10 grand car, mate.
It's not worth that now, Rob.
It is. If we buy any car, I'll give him 8.7.
That's not 10 grand, is it? That's 8.7.
If we buy any car.
Stay in vehicle. So I'm guessing I'm about to get run out again. Yep, there we go. Hello. Hello. It's really dark along here. Sorry, you can't really see anything, guys. You're kind of just listening to a conversation at the minute. The toxic bin. Start again. Yeah, we're back. Sorry for that little cut off there. Went over 5 minutes. I'm going to guess we're about to get jumped at. Yep, there we go.
This one. Hello.
Hello, precious.
You nearly fell away.
There must have been hit by cars.
That's the acting over, I think, because we're now coming up to the cinema. Obviously, I'm not going to film the whole film. Probably some kind of copyright to say we can't do that. So,
You think?
may get a final jump. No, we're not. But we're come to the safety zone. So there we go. That is the £50 worth. Got to go to the man with the green wand.
Here, you start running over.
So yeah, that I'm gonna have to be really quick videos because copyright. So we've got a caged stripper, I think.
Give her away.
She's dropping and
She wants you.
yeah, this is a bit what's the age limit for this?
18.
Oh, we're gonna have to put an 18 plus on this. Oh, great.